Greetings everyone. I am your friendly guide, navigating you through the intriguing world of making money online. Today, we will delve into the fascinating platform that is Rewardy. Imagine a place that allows you to earn from the comfort of your home, or a coffee shop, or even a beach. Rewardy.io is that place. It's a platform that has revolutionized the way we make money online, and it's about time we all got on board. Now you might be wondering, is this for real? Well, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some successful individuals have to say about Rewardy.io. First up, we have Emma, a graphic designer from New York. She says, Rewardy.io has been a game changer for me. It's flexible, easy to use, and the earnings are great. I've been able to pay off my student loans and even save for a trip to Europe. Next, meet Raj, a software developer from Bangalore. Rewardy.io has given me the freedom to work on projects that I love and earn a good income. It's changed the way I look at freelancing, he shares. And these are just two of the many stories of people who found success with Rewardy.io. So, what makes Rewardy.io stand out? It's all about the simplicity and the opportunity it offers. The platform is easy to navigate, and it offers a wide range of tasks that you can choose from. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a developer, or someone with a knack for social media, there's something for everyone. What's more, Rewardy.io believes in fair pay. The platform ensures that you're compensated well for your efforts. No more slogging for hours only to be paid pennies. At Rewardy.io, your work is valued and rewarded. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How does one get started with Rewardy.io? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, sign up, choose a task, and start earning. It's that simple. In conclusion, Rewardy.io is a platform that's changing the landscape of online earning. It's simple, flexible, and rewarding. It's a platform that values your skills and pays you well for your efforts. So if you're looking to make money online, Rewardy.io is definitely worth checking out. Remember, as Emma and Raj have shared, Rewardy.io has made a significant difference in their lives. It's not just about making money, it's about having the freedom to work on tasks you love, from wherever you want and getting paid well for it. So, why wait? Explore Rewardy.io today and start your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the world is your oyster, and with platforms like Rewardy.io, you have the tools to crack it open. Thank you for your time. I hope this exploration of Rewardy.io has been insightful and inspiring. Stay tuned for more exciting discussions about making money online. Until then, keep exploring, keep earning.